Hi, the Evo exploded. The turbo exploded, more specifically. And it still smells like blown turbo in here. If you're wondering what that smells like, simmering coolant and oil in a pressure cooker. A little vaporizer action going on. It smells very bad. It smells very bad. And trust me, I'm depressed. And the tow truck driver scrapped my inner tie rod. Here's a picture. Absolutely scrapped my inner tie rod, taking it off the truck. So I have to deal with that too now. So life is life's being life, you know. Stuff happens in life. And I'm gonna go start taking apart the intake side. Taking apart anything really. It really reeks of blown turbo in here. I'm gonna just start taking things apart and see what I can do, because this car can't move or run. And yeah.
Don't you know, it is getting hard, hard, hard. I need secrets to be a part of me. I need hard. I need hard.
So this is inside of the reducer coupler. That black is like burnt oil or whatever. Jeez, that's on there. So what I've done is I've covered the blow-off valve or recirc valve and the charge pipe. I guess it's time to show off my nifty little wrench. That thing's on there. Oh yeah, that's nice. There we go. More boost pressure, not boost pressure. Let me label that first. Intake vacuum to splitter beside electronic boost controller. There we go. There's a turbo inside there somewhere. Alright, let's see if I can feel it. No, I can't. The elbow is in the way. I'll tell you what though, I don't think you can see it, but all that in there is just gunk and sticky, not fun stuff. Look at all that gunk in there. That is not good stuff. Looks like we have to take that elbow off. So there's an elbow on the turbo that has 1, 2 underneath this bracket, and there should be a third one on the bottom. There is a third one on the bottom. So yeah, those are on the turbo as well. All right, I've spent the last 30 minutes trying to take out the 3 bolts that hold this elbow on. And here is the elbow. Now, let's see. Oh. Turbo's got some of that nice up and down shaft play. Still spins, actually. You can hear that, huh? Listen. Still spins, though. Oh, let me see if I can get you a better shot. I'm going to do a compression test because I'm not convinced that the turbo is the problem. I'm not 100% convinced. This can only get worse. 115, that's normal for this gauge. 115. 115, perfect. 110, acceptable. All right, guys, I got a lot done today. Took all these parts out, gave access to the turbo, checked for shaft play, did a compression test, did all that. I think the engine is most likely in good shape, and the problem is indeed the turbo. Listen to this. So yeah, I'll pick this up another time. My brakes are here.